Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add video on Mailchimp. Adding video to your Mailchimp campaigns can significantly boost engagement and convey your message more effectively. We'll explore the straightforward steps to embed videos, ensuring your subscribers have a rich, interactive experience. Whether you're sharing a product demo or a personal message, incorporating video is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and enhancing your email marketing strategy. There are two main ways to add video to your Mailchimp emails. First, you can use the dedicated video content block, which is incredibly simple. Just drag and drop it into your template, then paste the shareable URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Mailchimp automatically generates a thumbnail and a play button. The second method involves manually embedding the video link, which also works by providing the URL. Both methods ensure your video is accessible and looks professional. To maximize the impact of your videos, consider these best practices. Keep your video content brief and to the point. Studies suggest shorter videos, often under 2 minutes, perform best. Always use an engaging thumbnail image that encourages clicks, as this is what recipients will see first. Also, ensure your video is mobile-friendly and loads quickly across all devices. A clear call to action within or after your video can further drive desired outcomes. Encountering issues with your video? Here are some common troubleshooting tips. First, double-check that your video's privacy settings on its hosting platform are set to public or unlisted, not private. A private video won't display in your email. Next, ensure the URL you've pasted into Mailchimp is correct and not broken. Finally, always send a test email to yourself and colleagues to confirm the video plays as expected across different email clients before sending to your entire list.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.